Sound effects are a staple of our movie-going experience. They can work to make a scene appear as accurate to the real world, or, in the case of fiction, make a world seem more believable and immersive. For example, in the movie Scream, an overly exaggerated knife slash sound effect is used for when the ghost face attacks. This slash effect may be unrealistic alone due to its exaggerated nature, since knives don't really sound like that when you slash them. But it makes the world within Scream as a whole more believable and scary because it plays off the stereotypes we create in our heads for what real-world knife sound effects are like. This is an example of how sound effects heighten our impression of real-world pieces of work, but in a fictional world, we don't know how things are supposed to sound. In these cases, the filmmakers must do their best to make the fictional world more believable through sound effects. For example, in Star Wars we have no idea how a lightsaber would sound as it was activated. Would it be loud? Quiet? Or completely silent? George Lucas and his team had to develop a sound for this fictional weapon that would be believable to the audience members in an otherwise fictional world. In this case, it worked extremely well, with children making lightsaber sound effects all the time when they play. Sound effects can also be used to help in telling a story. A certain sound effect can be a clue or lead the characters to a certain destination. This can be seen again in Star Wars when Luke is told by an echoey, ghost-sounding Ben Kenobi to use the Force.
Use the Force, Luke.
This leads to the destruction of the Death Star and the final act of the film coming to a close. Without this sound effect, the movie would have a harder time resolving. The sound effects talked about thus far are those that are noticeable. However, there is an entire world of sound effects that we don't even realize are happening in the backgrounds of movies as well. These are ambient sounds, which according to the theory of cinema verite are appealing to audiences because they add a sense of realism and authenticity to movie scenes. An example of this would be hearing birds chirping and crickets in the background of a forest scene in Harry Potter. It makes the viewer feel immersed in the movie. Without these ambient background sound effects happening, something would feel very missing from the world we are trying to become a part of while watching.